The main component of any LLM app is the large language model. This is where LangChain comes into play. This framework allows you to build your app with the language model. Today, we'll cover how to work with large models in the new version of LangChain. To show this, I'm gonna use OpenAI API and Ollama. We leverage OpenAI API to use the GPT models. On the other hand, we utilize Ollama to use a local open source model. Before coding, let me show you our roadmap. First, we'll install the necessary libraries. Next, we'll initialize the models using LangChain. Finally, we'll predict using these models. Cool, we've seen our agenda. Let's get started with the environment setup. To create a virgin environment, let's use the Conda. We'll open a terminal in VS Code. Let me select command prompt. To create a virgin environment, let's use the Conda. And then write Conda create -- name. Let's give a name. Let's say Gen AI. And then let's specify the Python version. Python 3.10. To automatically confirm, let me give -y. Yeah, our environment has started to be set up. It's done. Now let's activate this environment as shown here. Conda activate GenAI. As you can see, our environment is ready to use. It's time to install the necessary libraries. To do this, we're gonna use a requirements.txt file. Let's create this file. Let's write requirement.txt. After that, let's write the libraries here. LangChain and then LangChain core. Next, LangChain community. After that, LangChain OpenAI. Lastly, to set environment variables, we'll use python.env. Python.env. Okay, we've written the libraries. Let's go ahead and install this with pip. To do this, let's write pip install -r requirements.txt. After that, let's press enter. Cool, the libraries are loading. It's done. Now we can start coding. To do this, let's first create a notebook. Let's press new file and then let's say models IPyNB. As you can see, our notebook opened. After that, let's select the kernel. To do this, we're gonna click here and then select Gen AI. It's simple, right? In this video, we're gonna use GPT models in the OpenAI. To use this API, we need to set our API key. To do this, we're gonna add a file name.env. Let's press new file and then let's give .env. After that, here we're gonna write our API key. You can get your API key from the OpenAI website. Let's type OpenAI API key equal. Let's create an API key. To do this, let me go to the OpenAI website. Let's click API keys and then create new secret key. After that, let's give a name. Let's say LangChain. After that, let's press over here. Cool, here is the API key. Let me copy this API key. Don't worry, I'll delete this API key before uploading this video. Next, let's paste the API key here. Nice, our API key is ready. After that, let's take the environment variable from .env with the load.env method. First, let's import this method. From .env import load.env. To get the API key, just write this method. Load.env. Cool, we set our API key. Let's go ahead and initialize the GPT model. To do this, first, let's import the OpenAI class. Let's write from LangChain OpenAI import OpenAI. Next, let's create an object from this class. LLM equals OpenAI. Okay, our model is ready to predict. let's create a text. Text. Let's write, what is the capital of USA? After that, let's give this text to the model. LLM dot, let's call, invoke, let's pass text. Here you go. You can see the response here. It's simple, right? Let's create another text. Let's write text equals tell me a joke about Elon Musk. Let's pass this text to our model. LLM dot invoke text. Here you go. If you want, you can print this response. To do this, let me copy this and then write print and pass it this function. There you go. This is a joke about Elon Musk. Let's go ahead and cover how to use a chat model. The first thing we're gonna do is import the chat model AI class. Let's write from LangChain OpenAI import chat OpenAI. After that, let's initialize a chat model with this class. Chat model, it's gonna be chat OpenAI. Okay, our chat model is ready. Note that the main difference between the chat model and the large model is input and output schemas. The LLM objects take string as input and output string. On the other hand, the chat model objects take a list of messages as input and output a message. Let's convert the text into a human message. First, let's import the human message class from LangChain schema import the human message class. Next, let's use this class to create a human message. Let's write messages. It's gonna be human message. Let's set content equals text. Okay, our message is ready. After that, let's paste this message to the chat model. Let's write chat model dot, let's call invoke, let's pass messages. There you go. As you can see, the chat model generated an AI message. So far so good. We've seen how to use GPT models in OpenAI. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to use Ollama. Ollama is a platform that allows you to run open source LLMs such as Llama 2 locally. To use Ollama, you need to first download it from the Ollama website and install it on your computer. After that, use the Ollama pull command to install any model. For example, to install the Llama 2 model, write Ollama pull Llama 2. That's simple, right? I have already installed this model. To work with Ollama, we need to import the Ollama class. Let's do this. From LangChain community LLMs import Ollama. After that, we're gonna initialize a model with this class. Let's write LLM. This gonna be Ollama model. Let's pass Llama 2. Nice. Our LLM is ready to predict. Let me get a text. To do this, let me copy this text and paste it here. After that, let's give our text to this model. Print and then LLM dot, let's call the invoke method. Let's paste text. Let me run this cell. There you go. You can see the answer here. You can also use a chat model with Ollama. Let me show this. First, let's import the chat Ollama class. From LangChain community dot chat models import chat Ollama. And then let's initialize a chat model with this class. Let's write chat model equals, this gonna be chat Ollama. What we're gonna do now is paste the message we created before. Let me copy this message and paste it here. After that, let's write chat model. Let's call the invoke method. Let's pass messages. There you go. Our chat model generated a message. We can convert this message into text. In next videos, I'll show you how to do this. Yeah, that's it. In this video, we've seen how to work with LLMs and chat models using LangChain. In the next video, we'll cover how to use prompt templates. The link to this notebook is in the description. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye for now.